tayo nitong Chinese national to. Marunong ka ba Tagalog at magbisaya eh? Kunwari lang, hindi ka marunong eh. I know you understand Tagalog and the Visayan language. Ginag mo kami. You're making a fool out of us Filipinos here.
Answer this committee honestly, but I just hope that you rot in jail.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada galit na galit nga at hindi mapigilan na sinabi niya dito kay Tony Yang kung saan nagkukunwari lamang daw ito na hindi marunong magtagalog. Pero ang katotohanan daw ay marunong pala itong magtagalog at magbisaya. Ayon kay Senador Jinggoy Estrada, dagdag pa nito, ginagago lamang at binabastos ng mga Chinese dito ang mga Pilipino na nagkukunwari lamang na walang alam pero ang totoo ay marunong at magaling sila magtagalog. Kasi nga paano sila magstay sa Pilipinas kung hindi nila alam ang salitang Tagalog. Kahit ito ngang si Senador Villanueva, sinabi niya dito na nagsisinungaling ka at sana lang
Miss Caroline, can we ask Mr. Yang,
guys, panoorin natin
how many guns do you have? May permit man o wala? May lisensya man o wala? Ilan yung baril na nasa possession mo? Sa pagkakaalam mo? Kasi most likely hindi mo naman naaminin yung walang permit.
请问杨先生，您现在身上拥有几支枪？是的。一支
You use the microphone, please, so we can
用麦克，
would know that you're answering, even if you don't understand.
有几支枪？
我啊，
是的。
我没有枪啊，有一支枪，有，
一支枪。
对对，
I only have one gun.
You only have one gun, pero ang nasabat sa'yo, 6. Nung nahuli ka, may 6 na nasabat sa'yo. So, kanina sinabi mo rin, mayroon kang license permit, tsaka permit to carry. So, sinungaling ka ba o nagsisinungaling ka talaga?
他拿
但是你被抓到的时候有没收到6支枪，你怎么解释？
没有啊，他去哪里，我都没有被他们抓到什么6支枪啊，没有啊。
No, there was no 6 guns that was.
May we
got
know from
me.
PNP, do we have the PNP or whoever sa BI, nung nakitaan po ng 6 na baril itong si Tony Yang sa Cagayan de Oro? Can we confirm that, sir? Anyone from PNP or BI?
Police Colonel Poklay, kayo bang makakasagot para sa PNP?
Madam Chair, we can check that with FEO, if you allow us, ma'am.
Can we
And can you please
know
get
now,
back to us,
BI, Attorney
ASAP?
Joel, do you have the information?
Thank you, Mr. Honorable Senator. Sir, wala pong nahuli po sa kanya ng mga baril, but meron po siyang, nakitaan po siya ng license to own and possess firearm and permit to carry po.
Ilan po yung baril na nakita sa kanya?
Wala pong nakita, Mr.
Ilan po yung sinabi niyong license
documents
permit?
po. I don't have it at the moment. I'm not in possession po.
Can
but,
anyone confirm this information that may nakita na 6 na baril permit kay Tony Yang dun sa pagkakahuli niya? Whether it's BI, PAOK, or anyone, PNP? Siguro while we wait for PNP to check it, please, no? Kung
Would
ilan.
the NBI have that information, Attorney Magno?
That's very telling and concerning, Madam Chair, no? For someone na hindi Pilipino, inamin niya, pero siya na rin, nag-amin siya, may permit siya ng baril, may license to own siya, at mayroon siyang permit to carry. NBI, if NBI can also attest to this, sir? Yes, sir. Attorney Magno, sir.
Good morning, Madam Chair. We have also just heard from the news that there were several licensed firearms under his name. We are verifying the additional background on the said information, Madam Chair.
Madam,
you.
Madam Chair, on a related...
SP Pro Tempore.
Paano magkakaroon ng... How can he obtain an LTAP kung hindi siya Pilipino? Di ba? Usually, meron neuro exam yan. How can he obtain a license? Yung license to possess firearms. How can he do that? Siguro meron naman siya sinuhulan dun sa krame. Paano siya magkakaroon ng lisensya? Hindi naman siya marunong managalog, hindi siya marunong magbisaya.
Mr. Yang, how did you acquire your firearm? Kahit yung isang inaamin yung meron kayo, paano nyo nakuha yon? At yung lisensya doon?
请问杨先生，你是如何得到这支枪，而且呢，如何得到这个持枪的许可证？用麦克风。
这个以前应该几年前哦，有认识以前一个警察吧，他说他有问我要不要买一根枪嘛，好，就是他当时就说他去帮我，就是我拿我的证件了，他去给我买，再帮我去申请这个枪证，这样。
请问那个名字叫什么？你知道吗？
那个我英文名也忘记了，那个好就是几年前了，因为这个英文的我都不懂得记。
Okay. So before a few years ago, there was a police who offered me and asked me if I want to buy a gun.
Who is that police?
According to Mr. Yang that I asked a while ago, so he doesn't know the name, the English name because he doesn't know English.
Alam mo, tayo nitong Chinese national to. Marunong ka managalog at magbisaya eh. Kunwari lang, hindi ka marunong eh. I know you understand Tagalog and the Visayan language. Mo kami. You're making a fool out of us Filipinos here.
Senator Joel.
Yes, Madam Chair. It's really saddening na kung paano tayo paiikutin at babastusin lang nitong mga Chinese nationals na ito. Madam Chair, let me also ask, noong nahuli po kayo, Mr. Tony Yang, when you were arrested in Cagayan de Oro Airport, marami hong nakakita na naghatid sa inyo, naka-escort po kayo ng mga kapulisan noong September 19. May we know kung sino itong mga nag-escort sa inyo? Bakit kayo ine-escort ng kapulisan?
OK， 杨先生有一个问题，就是在9月19号，你在卡嘎yan机场被抓到的时候，你旁边有一些警察陪着你，请问这些警察是谁？而且他们为什么要陪着你？
在哪里？
就是在卡嘎yan机场被抓到的时候，9月19号。
我都不是在卡加延机场被抓，我在马尼拉机场啊，都没有警察陪着我啊。
So it was in Manila Airport when I was caught, and there was no police who was with me.
Anyway, I don't expect you to answer this committee honestly, but I just hope that you rot in jail